welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brandie Channail coming to you with another video, and it is my Stitch Fix for January. This is my 12th box, so I'm excited to get into it. I really want to see what pieces they selected for me. Last time I didn't have Mary and I wasn't too thrilled with the pieces that I got, so hopefully this time around maybe they gave me back Mary, or maybe I'll request it if I didn't get Mary this time and I don't like the pieces. I don't know, but it just had a different feel and a different vibe, so I want to you know, you want to give other people a try, but when you find somebody who got it, you kind of want to keep that person. So let's get into this box and see what they got for me today. All right, so here is my box, and honey, it looks like they stuffed her to the brim. Don't mind this back here. I'm preparing for a thrift haul, for those of you who, let me say this, what I need for them to stop doing is this. Look at this. So my return envelope is right on top, and anytime I use scissors to open my box, sometimes it cuts the bag, and then in this case it's stuck to the dang on return label. So the tape that they put on here, because they stuffed this box to capacity, is sticking, and it's annoying. Why did y'all do that? Why? So now the address gonna be all just don't do that. Now I gotta tape it up. Look, now this is all messed up. I just don't understand why they can't get that right. Like, don't put it right there. Whew, oh, I see some colors that are making me excited. So let's see what we got. There's a bunch of sweaters in here clearly because they done stuffed this to the brim, but what we got. Ooh, I love a cardigan like situation. Okay, so here is a sweater, and it looks like it has like a cascading neckline, which is something that I said in my last month's box, so I think they listened to that. This is by the brand Andy P, and this is in a size 2X, and this is cute. This is one of those things that you can throw on with so many different things that would be really, really cute. And just a nice comfy cozy. Even that gray sweatsuit that I got last month, jumpsuit, that'll go really well with that. So okay, speaking of a gray sweat jumpsuit that I got last month, here is another gray jumpsuit. Y'all might need to talk, because if I got one of these last month, why do I need one this month? But I'm into them, so I might like it and I might keep it. And this one is long sleeve, where the other one was sleeveless. So this is cute. This is by the brand Ready, and it's in a 2X. And it's got this like cross, I don't know if you can see that, cross situation, and then the drawstring. So that'll pair well with that sweater too, so that's cute. Okay, so these are just like some they kind of feel like they're really, really stretchy. They have pockets in the back like jeans would, and the pockets in the front are sewn up, but they're black, and they're not a denim material. They're like a really stretchy material. These may be real dope though to put on, well, they'll go with that sweater too, but to just wear with some boots or something for the wintertime. This is by 1822 Denim, and they are the ankle skinny. I'm interested to see how those fit. Okay, so far so good actually. Well, this is pretty. Okay, and then here is a dress shirt, kind of. It's like kind of see-through sheer. It is a floral. I think this is black, so this will pair well with these pants too. And I could even throw that sweater on over this. And it looks like it drawstrings on each side to cinch it in. Ooh, that's real cute. This is by the brand 41 Hawthorne, and this is in a size 2X. Okay, so far so good. I'm not mad. I'm not mad so far. So far, I'm not mad. This is bomb. This is a sweater. Almost gives like a cropped look, but I'm into the colors, honey, and the feel. This is gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. This is Addison Parker, and this is in a size 2X. Okay, I'm excited. So actually I can try on all this stuff together and see how it will go. Let's go ahead and get into it, because yes, so far so good. Okay, so first thing is first is this sweater, and it fits exactly like I thought it would. It's like a really like sloppy kind of just to throw on sweater, and I actually like it. I like the knit of it. I like the colors in it. Very neutral, easy to throw on and wear. It will definitely keep you warm. I like it. Do I love it? No, but I like it, and I think it's an essential piece for this time of year. So I do like it. Comes at a nice length. If I was to wear some tights or something, it would definitely cover my butt, so I wouldn't be concerned about that at all. I think it almost is too big or like oversized looking, but I do like it, and I love that it has pockets, and I don't know, I just love the way this material feels. So this might be a keeper, even though I'm not in love with it. I like it a lot. So tell me what you guys think. Okay, so I'm slightly disappointed in this because I love a good jumpsuit. I love a good romper. This just didn't do it for me. I think it's too big. I think it looks sloppy. It doesn't have pockets, which I'm like, ill. I feel like this needs pockets. It's just like it's too big, it's too oversized, it's too slouchy, it's just not my style. I'm not a huge fan of it. It's not my favorite. Tell me what you guys think, but I don't like it. I don't like the way the bottoms look. It's just, it's okay, but I just am not a fan. I'm just not a fan. I just don't think it has a flattering fit, and I just don't like how oversized it is. So here's this one. This one is probably a no for me. Probably a no. Alrighty, first things first, these tights. I actually like these. They feel very secure. They're basic tights though, so depending on the price, like I don't know if I would be willing to splurge for them, but they feel amazing, so I might be willing to because they feel really good. And I think they look pretty good. I love the fact that the back has pockets. I think that's really cool. Yeah, ultimately they feel good, and they are skinny to the ankle, which I enjoy, which will go really well with boots. So I love that for sure. Not much to say about them because they're pretty plain, but I do like them, so there's that. And I don't know, you tell me what you think. I think it paired well with this shirt. I actually really like this shirt. So let's go ahead and move on to the shirt while we're here. I actually do like this shirt. I like the feature on the side where you can tie it, because it makes the shirt come in more, and makes it a bit more flattering in my opinion, because if you're up and down in size, well, I don't know where my other tie went. If you're up and down in size, that'll be great because you can kind of let it out, and then you can kind of bring it in if you need to too, if you lose weight. And so I really like that. I like the fact that you can tie it up to make it tighter, because it adds more definition to your waistline and makes you look a little bit slimmer in my opinion. So I do like this shirt. Am I in love with it? Not really, but I do love the flowers that are on here, the floral print that's on here, and I think it looks amazing on me. So there's that. I mean, I love the way it looks on me, so I guess that means I love it. I don't know. I like it though. It's a very nice shirt, very appropriate for work. And the material isn't see-through. I said it was see-through, but it's not. It's not see-through at all. And here's the back. So this whole outfit would be appropriate for work, because even though these are like jean pockets in the back, this shirt covers it. You can't even see it. I think this is great. This is a cute little outfit. Yeah, really nice. Okay, and last but not least is this sweater, and I was right, it is cropped, and I'm obsessed. I love it. It's not cropped in a way that you see my tummy, but it is a short sweater. I'm keeping this. I don't have anything in my collection this color or this style. I absolutely love this, so I know for a fact that I'm keeping this sweater if I don't keep anything else. I really like it. I think it has a flattering fit. I love the color. I love the shape of it, and even like, you can't even really see the details of it, but there are like some sparkles in there. It's just so pretty. It's so intricate, but it's basic, and I love that. I love it. I'm sold on this one for sure. I'm definitely keeping this one. Tell me what you guys think. I just love the way it fits. This is a 2X. I like it. It has a little bit of an oversized feel, but it's still really cute, and it still gives you a little bit of shape because it comes in down here at the bottom, tapers in. I love it. This is a definite keep for me. And it pairs well with these pants too. I wouldn't wear it with this. I would wear it with jeans, but it does look nice with these pants. So yeah, there's that. Okay, now that we're done trying on everything, it's time to look at our notes, see who we got this month, and for me to give you my final thoughts. Whew. Child, let's see. I don't know. I kind of feel like it might have was Mary, but then I don't know. Well, yeah, okay, it wasn't Mary. Okay, hi Brandie, and welcome to your 12th fix. I'm thrilled to be styling you, and I really had fun putting together some pieces for your box. I hope that you had a wonderful holiday season and that this fix fits you well. I absolutely love that jumper you kept from the last fix. Seriously cute. So I think this is the person I got last time. So then why would you send me another jumper that looks almost okay? Anyway, I found another great jumper with long sleeves this time in a gorgeous blue color that would be perfect for winter. Blue. This is definitely gray. This is gray. Is it blue? It looks gray to me. I don't like it. She's not keeping that for sure. Anyway, and it's not long sleeve. It's more like a 3/4 length sleeve. We usually don't send 2 in a row, but since you really loved it, I didn't want you to miss out on this one. Yeah, I don't love this one though. This one is a miss for me. Let me know what you think. I also included a 41 Hawthorne black peplum blouse that I think will be flattering on you. I agree, it was flattering. I love the peplum silhouette because it is so flattering, and it will pair nicely with the black pull-on pants in this fix. Let me know how they fit. Best, Danielle. So the pants fit great. Depending on the price, I may or may not keep them because they really do fit great, and I think that they will go really well with boots. The thing is, they're the 1822 brand, and from the jeans that I kept that were 1822, I don't think that they wash well. So I don't know, depending on the price of these, if I want to keep them, because I don't know how well they will wash, and depending on the price, might not be worth it to me. So we'll see. The peplum blouse is $48, which is this shirt, and actually I do like this. I like the way it fits. It's just kind of basic to me, but I like it, and I like the fact that it ties up on each side. I think that's cute. So I'm still on the fence for this one. On the fence about this one. This one was $48. This is very appropriate for work. Something that's really, really cute. I just don't know. I just don't know yet. The Bellina Surplice French Terry jumpsuit in navy. Girl, they said this is navy. This is not navy. This is nowhere near navy, and it's hideous. I hate it. It fits atrociously. My husband said it looked like pajamas, and he made the most disgusting face when I walked in with this on. So we won't be keeping this at all. I hate it. And $58 you won't be getting from me for it. The Olivet textured cardigan is $68. That is this sweater that is $68. I like it. I'm still on the fence about it, on whether or not I'm going to keep it, but I do like it, so I might get this one because I do like the way it fits. The crew neck pullover is the pink one. I'm definitely keeping this. I know that for a fact. I love the way it fit. I love the color. I love the way it looked. Yeah, I love this, so I'm definitely keeping that one for sure. And then the black pants are $50. I'm not keeping them for $50 because I already have some black pants that are very similar to this that I picked up from Kohl's that are the brand 9 West. Very similar feel. So it wouldn't make sense for me to keep these at $50. They were like 30 something maybe. But yeah, and with the fact that this brand in particular didn't wash well when I washed them last time, I just don't know that I want to keep them. But I do like the fit of them, and I love the way they fit on my ankle. So I might think, I don't know. The only thing that I'm positive I'm keeping is this pink sweater, and it's $68. So there's that. I know I'm not keeping the blue jumpsuit, and I'm pretty sure that I'm probably just gonna keep this pink sweater if I'm keeping it a buck. I love it. I like the color. I like the fit. Everything else was pretty nice. I like this sweater, but not enough to pay $58 for it, $68 for it, I don't think. And I don't like the pants enough to pay $50 because I don't think I'll get enough wear and tear out of them because of the reasons I just told you. But that's it. That is my box number 12, and I think I may request Mary again. I don't know. I just think that she got a good sense of my style. I think that this stylist just picks out things that she thinks will look flattering on a bigger body and not necessarily what is particular to my style. So although they're all things that I would wear, but how wrong could you go with a pair of black tights? How wrong could you go with a cardigan? You know what I'm saying? I just don't feel like anything was personal really to me. So I don't know. Again, I'm keeping the pink sweater because I love it. Everything else is kind of up for debate. I'm definitely not keeping that jumper, and I don't think I'm not keeping the blouse. The only thing that I'm thinking about is this sweater and these black pants that I still have on, but I probably won't keep the black pants or the sweater. So that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to wash your hands, keep social distancing, wear your mask if you can. Please continue to pray for me and my family, and I'll continue to pray for you and yours, and we will see you guys next time. I love you. Bye.